I'll just leave it to you.
Hello guys, welcome to the latest video from KTV, and today I am at Stafford on the west. Yes, I am on the West Coast Main Line. Today you're going to be seeing services from Virgin Trains, London Midland, and Cross Country. I wish I. Oh wow, I just ignore you. Right, ignore him. Joining me today is Scouse Train Spotter 1999, Tornado 922, Trains Fan UK. UK Train Spotter, Rob's Public Transport Videos, and Scott Rail 17401. There's so many of us here that it's absolutely unbelievable. It's a plethora of people. I see lights. It is a Virgin Super Voyager. It's a 221 Super Voyager. I believe this one is headed for Glasgow Central, Edinburgh Waverley from London Euston via Birmingham New Street.
I know. I'm just recording this. Yeah, I'm just
it is off to Arrive Station. Alright, cool. Bombardier Voyager 221142. Presumably off to Glasgow or Edinburgh.
Well, because I have to go and pick my mum, my cousin, and pick an Xbox up.
So that's the first train of the day, among many more that we will probably be seeing.
So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
So guys, thank you. Yeah, I'll say that at the end. So let's see what's on offer here, shall we? Let's get started. I'm really looking forward to filming here. Okay, the next train to pass through is a Class 390 Pendolino off to Manchester Piccadilly from London Euston, 39114.
You did it, you're dead, you.
Just keeping an eye out for the nameplate. It is City of Manchester.
City of.
And ironically is off to Manchester Piccadilly.
I know how weird that. What time?
39114, missing its lid. Hold it in, Kieran, it doesn't bother you anymore.
What? It's missing the front.
That would be from back in the days when they did the pendle drags up to Holyhead.
Yeah, makes sense.
Or when they had to drag some pendles up by the Glasgow South West.
You look so different.
Okay, passing through now. 390-013 Virgin Star, I think it was. Off to London Euston. Believe from... might be from... no, not Liverpool. Glasgow Central. I'm not too sure, I have to double check. But yeah, that one caught me by surprise, really. We also have a passing Class 66. 66040. Not a lot with it, but yeah, 66040 there. For DB cargo as well, forgot to mention. 35117 is also about to depart with the 1455 London Midland service to London Euston from Crewe. There it is, squealing away.
Generally being a desert.
Again, it sounds like a ghost. It really, really does. Oh yeah, he does. He trusts me. Yeah, he does. Okay, now coming in is 1501 cross country service to Paignton, 220015. Yeah, also Paignton via Bristol, Birmingham New Street, Bristol Temple Meads, and Exeter St David's. Okay, coming in now is the 1502 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bristol Temple Meads. on the approach now, as I've just seen the lights reflecting off. Unless, of course, I've been fooled. I hope not. I think I might have been slightly fooled, but I hope not. Nope, it's just pulled in now. There we go. There's another one coming in too. And there's the other one. Deja vu from a Stafford video. 220.022 on this one. And there goes the 1501 service to Paynton. And 220.022 here as well. Again, forming a service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bristol Temple Meads. I almost forgot then. Silly me. Okay, pulling out now is the 1502 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly.
I guarantee this one clip is longer than my actual start.
Sounds like we have another train coming through, but I don't know.
It's going to be about 2 hours long.
No, it's not. No other train coming through. I thought there was.
Warm as well.
Okay, passing through now, we have another Class 66. It's an intermodal. It's a great two-tone. 66151. Hauling a load of intermodal freight with it. For DB cargo as well, forgot to mention. Yes, it's at 66151 with a DB cargo Class 66. It's a great two-tone from it too. Okay, the next train to show up is the 1510 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street. It's 350-369.
Train approaching platform 4 is 1510. One Midland service to Dagenham, Wolverhampton, standing on the bridge, and moving.
I think we've seen all livery trains today, especially for Virgin, apart from the...
Okay, the next train to show up is the other 1510 London Midland service to Liverpool Lime Street. This one from Birmingham New Street. So both are 1510 and are basically vice versa services. They're basically crossing each other. This is where they pretty much cross. As long as they're not late, of course. It's 350-237. And it looks like it's stopping a bit further up the platform than what the oh no, that one's off now. The 1510 to Birmingham New Street is now heading off. Maybe you guys don't mind me just doing a bit of zooming in here and now, here and then, just because I don't know, it just adds a bit more effect to the videos, and also just so you can get a good view of everything that can be seen here from the other side of the platform, basically. But I hope you guys don't mind, of course, but you know, I will obviously get as much as I can in a video, you know that. Just I like to add a bit of zooming so you guys can see stuff from far away. Makes it a bit more fun. Right then, 352.37 looks ready to go as well. I shall keep on camera until she goes because I think she's about to leave. I think the doors have closed because they're automatic and they don't close separately. Yes, it is. 352.37 is heading off to Liverpool Lime Street. Speeding up, it's not holding back, is it? Yeah, it's not holding back, that's what I mean. That's what I mean when I say it's not holding back.
That's what I said, I know, I was saying it's accelerating.
Yeah, I know. Okay, the next train to pass through is a Freightliner Class 90. I think it's off to Ditton.
It is off to Ditton, it'll probably be letting off at
Yeah, it's going to drop off at Crewe and then it's going to carry on. So it's another load of intermodal freight as well, so looking very lovely. The cars look bigger than the train.
That's probably because they are.
Well, they are. That's proof. It's 90045. Oh, darn it. No Yang Ming. That's a shame. But still better name than your name.
What?
Yang Ming. Still better name than your name.
Oh, well you say that name's awesome.
It is. It's better than your name. Yang Ming. Better name than James Humphreys.
Repeating Peterborough?
Yes, repeating Peterborough.
Well done. Well done.
Okay, the next train to pass through is a passing service from Glasgow Central to London Euston via Birmingham New Street, I believe it would be, because it's going in through platform 4. It is a 390 Pendolino, as you can see right before you. Let's have a look. 390 136 with the adorable black doors on it. I'm really liking these. And City of Coventry on the nameplate. Do you know what, in my opinion actually, the Pendolino sounds more like a ghost than what the 350 does. Who would agree with me there? The Pendolino sounds more like a ghost. Huh?
Pendolino sounds like a what? A gun?
A ghost.
Yeah, that's what I keep saying, a wailing ghost.
Yeah, a wailing ghost. Oh, it's sparked. Absolutely beautiful. And another Pendolino coming in as well,
It's sparking.
forming the 1523 Virgin train service to Liverpool Lime Street.
And arriving in now, we're going to have the 1326.
Sorry, I'm blocking your view there. I'll stand behind you.
Now I'm blocking your view, aren't I?
I don't really care because it'll pull in over here anyway. Don't you block my view. You've got no need to. I usually just blocking my views there. Scouse, Train Spotter 1999 and Tornado 922.
You're welcome.
Yeah. It is 390 106 006 with another load of black doors, looking lovely. Find out its nameplate upon departure, and another passing Pendolino over there. Can't catch the numbers on that one, I'm afraid, but all I know is that one is from Manchester Piccadilly. So there's that one. Right, now focus on getting this one now. Okay, coming in now is the 1526 cross-country service to Bournemouth, formed of a Class 221 Super Voyager. It's 221131. Oh, it's my one from earlier. This was the one that brought me in from Bristol Temple Meads earlier today. So it's back to haunt me, I see. Okay, pulling out now is the 1523 Virgin train service to Liverpool Lime Street from the 390006. It's Tate to Liverpool on the nameplates, ironically going to Liverpool anyway, so that's good. Sounds so creepy. Oh, it gives me the shivers. Chills right down my spine. It just sounds like a wailing ghost. It actually does, it really, really does sound like a ghost. Right, so there's that one out of the way. The 1526 to Bournemouth is still parked up over there. So I'm going to try and rush down and get it out going out, so let's see the results of that attempt. Okay, the next train to pull out is the 1526 cross-country service to Bournemouth via Birmingham New Street, Oxford, Reading and Southampton Central.
This will be going via Reading, will it?
And Southampton Central. And Basingstoke, yeah, but Reading and Southampton Central. Yeah. And also coming in is the 1532, I believe it is, cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bournemouth. This one I know is from Bournemouth because it's calling additionally at Macclesfield, as it always does when it comes from Bournemouth. And Manchester Piccadilly. So according to the announcer guy, it's terminating at Stockport, but it's not, it's carrying on to Piccadilly. It is a Class 220 Voyager.
This is where it was a 221 because some are 221s. There's only like a
Yeah, it's only 141 really that's got the 4 carriages, I think.
Oh, it is 2.
Oh, it's 221141. It's 221141. Speaking of devil, it shows up. So it is a 221 Super Voyager with 4 carriages. Alright then, mate. Where did the other one go? Okay, the next train to pass through is a passing Class 221 Super Voyager by Virgin, headed to Chester via Crewe. Yeah, I remember at Chester when I saw these. It was a nice sight actually, so it's Chase is just waving to them, Trains Fan UK. Oh, it's gonna. Oh, it looks like it's gonna stop. Okay then. I think it's to let the cross-country Super Voyager out. It is. Oh, it's in a livery. It's in the Virgin Bombardier livery, and it is two. Yes, 221115. Thank you, Rob. It's stopping at a red light due to letting the 1532 out to Manchester Piccadilly, letting it out. Nice. It smells very Voyager-like. The nameplate, actually, I just missed it. Polmley Depot. Oh, it's leaving now as well. Okay, that didn't take very long. Yeah, so it's 221115 off to Chester. Yeah, it turns out what I just realised is 221141 has 4 carriages. That's down to one of the. It was actually a 5-car set initially when it was with Virgin trains, but one of the 5 cars caught fire, and they've just decided now. Well, now that it's gone to cross country, to leave it as a 4-car set. But I reckon Virgin decided it. Yeah, I reckon Virgin decided it ages ago though, but it's just stuck with a 4-car set since. Did you? Oh, nice. I know. Well, 4 carriages, I know.
5 carriages, like between Aberdeen and...
Okay, I only managed to catch the rear of that one, which was 221107. caught me by absolute surprise. It was a double pairing of Super Voyagers, and it was headed to London Euston from Holyhead. It's coupled up at Chester with another Super Voyager. Did any of you guys catch the front? 104. What 221104 is at the front? Right, thank you. Right, so I was just asking Tornado what the front car was. So 221104 and 221107 off to London Euston from Holyhead and Chester. Okay, now departing is a 1532 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bournemouth. 221141. Okay, and pulling in now is a yeah, I think it is the 1541 London Midland service to Liverpool Lime Street, 35130 on it. Okay, pulling out now is 35130, forming the 1535 London Midland service to Liverpool Lime Street from Walsall. This one. Yeah, I just been hearing that this one came from Walsall and went to Liverpool Lime Street, which is a bit, it must be a one a day thing. Okay, arriving in now is the 1542 London Midland service to Crewe from London Euston, and also at the same time a 68, it looks like a DRS 68 is coming through, hauling a bit with it. I'm not too sure if it's the same one as last time, 016. This is 35101. And here comes the 68 now. It's 6800, yeah, James, it's 001. Oh, so it's 68001 for DRS. 61001? 61? 6800. You said 61. No, yeah, you said 61. Evolution nameplate. Alright mate, calm down. This is going on the old Royal Mail platform. Yeah, actually is. It's going through the old Royal Mail platform. I just noticed that.
Train starting at platform number 3 is 1542, London Midland service to Stone, Stoke-on-Trent, Kidsgrove, all staging. Platform number 3, Crewe, via Stone, Stoke-on. Any customers travelling forward to Liverpool Lime Street by Crewe and Runcorn?
Yeah, that service is for Crewe, that London Midland service. How correct was I?
Well, I did say it was Liverpool Lime Street.
Yeah, you did.
But that's because it was the 1540.
Yeah.
Well, that went, didn't it?
Which one? 1540?
1540.
Yeah, I'm not too sure. But that one's for Crewe, I know it is. Okay, arriving in now. Is a 350 off to Birmingham New Street, 35123. I believe it is the 1540 service. Okay, put it. Oh my god!
Fantastic tone.
Okay, I'll try that again in a minute. Nice one.
Well done, Train.
35101 off to Crewe, forming the 1542 service with an absolutely almighty tone. Here we have 66572 off to Garston from Southampton. From Southampton. Yeah.
I thought they were passenger trains.
Also the 350 forming the 1540 service to Birmingham New Street, as you can just see down there, has just pulled out. So there's that one. Just turning around back to the Freightliner 66, which is pulling out a red light. Okay, out now, 66572 off to Garston. I think it is, yeah. Also coming in is the 1542 Virgin train service to London Euston from Liverpool Lime Street. And Trains Fan UK begging it for a tone. Will it do it? Don't know. Will we find out? Probably. It's got the regular doors on it. So it's formed of 390 132. With City of Birmingham on it. Oh, it is the one from earlier on, I believe. 390 132, that's the one we saw earlier on.
It is?
Yeah. Oh, and a passing Pendolino coming through as well. Off to Manchester Piccadilly, I'd imagine. It's 390 134 with City of Carlisle on it. And the 66572 is just about made its way out of the platform to Garston.
Guys, 37.
And also passing through, we have a class 37 passing through. And Jace is running around in circles of excitement.
I imagine this is after Sellafield.
Yeah, Sellafield. Oh, it's two 37s. It's two of them.
Two 37s.
Yeah, two. Oh, hang on a little bit with it. All right, now we have two DRS 37s coming through off the Sellafields.
Services.
Oh, this is going to be difficult. Oh, 37 605 on the front and 7612 on the rear. So 37 605 there and 602 behind it. Also, as usual, pulling in to a red light. Wow. And also pulling out is the 1542 Virgin train service to London Euston. I was almost about to say Liverpool Lime Street there. How much of an epic fail would have that been? Yeah, I would have been. It's 390 132 with City of Birmingham off to London Euston. Oh my god, it just never ends, does it? Okay, now the next two 37s are heading off to Sellafields, clagging very nicely actually. Come on, give it a big old thrash. Yes you do, you beauty. What brilliant clagging that is. Sorry, I can't see that very well. Not the greatest sight, but people are also trying to film it. But you can just about see it there, off to Sellafields. So there's a lot going on at Stafford at the minute. It's unbelievable, it's never ending, it's fun. I love it. Stafford's a brilliant station. Okay, passing through now is a double pairing of Virgin Super Voyagers. It's 221111, Ronald Amundsen, and 221116. and the Pendolino. Yeah, it's 39157 with Chad Farah on the nameplate. Didn't know about that one either. Okay, now coming through. Oh, two things coming through. There's a Pendolino as well. Okay, we've got a Class 57 coming through and a Virgin Pendolino. Now, why does that bring back memories? 390011 and 57311. City of Lichfield on it. 390011. Now, here is what's going on here, right? A Pendolino has just passed through, and a DRS 57 has also passed through. That DRS 57 is trying to catch that Pendolino so it can drag it everywhere it wants to go. That's what's happening right now.
Everyone who's watched this video, I really do think you are good.
Okay, pulling through now. We have two 66s, I believe. Yes, two of them. Will it do it? No. 66162 on the front. 66125 on the rear. It's heading towards an amber light, so I might have to slow down a bit. So yeah, 266 is up there, making their way somewhere. Mystical and magical and pretty, probably. If it's Plymouth, then it's not pretty, but it's not going to Plymouth, I know that. Okay, pulling in now is a 1603 cross-country service to Bristol Temple Meads. 220004. Yeah, so that one's off to Bristol Temple Meads via Birmingham New Streets. Looking very lovely. My train is the next one, which comes in going to Bournemouth. That's my one. So I'm going to finish up filming in a little bit. Okay, pulling in there is a cross-country service forming the 1602 service. All right, Mike, all right. That's 220033 off to Manchester Piccadilly from Bristol Temple Meads, I believe this one is. Hang on. What time is this one? No, this one's from Bristol Temple Meads, yeah. Okay, just pulling out there. It's a 16032 Bristol Temple Meads. And out here with a great one tone and a Pendolino. 390,047 there. And here is 220033. Forming the 1602 service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bristol Temple Meads. Well, that Pendolino came by surprise.
Penzance.
Bristol Temple Meads 16. Yes, it is. This one's from Penzance. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, Penzance to Manchester Piccadilly. It is indeed the 11:50 departure from Plymouth. Okay, coming through now, we have another Class 66 Freightliner unit. It's a bit more intermodal freight. It's a GBRF. Sorry, it's GBRF, not Freightliner. 66716. Massive cock up there, it was GBRF, not Freightliner. making its way lovely like to wherever it's going, which I have no idea. Okay guys, this is where I cut out my video here at Stafford. Thank you guys for watching. I've really enjoyed my time here at Stafford. Joining me today was Tornado 922.
Hello!
Scouse Train Spotter 1999. Trains Fan UK. Rob's Public Transport Videos. And Scott Rail 17401. Right.
And yourself.
And myself, of course. Also joining us for the video was UK Train Spotter, but he is now headed off. But he was here for the video. Huh? He's no longer with us, but that doesn't mean he's dead. Okay, Jared, okay. So I have really enjoyed my time here at Stafford. It's been a fantastic station to visit. I always enjoy visiting Stafford. Brilliant station on the West Coast Main Line to visit. Recommended to anybody who hasn't been here, because it is definitely recommended for the fast virgin trains, for the endless amount of freight, for the endless amount of 350s, which I know a few people don't like.
Wink, wink. I love it!
Wink, wink. Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm looking at you, Mike. My plan at the moment is to now carry on with Series 8, because this is the third part of my 600 subscriber special as well. So again, thank you all very much for getting me to 600 subscribers. This is the last part of the 600 subscriber special too. So, I'm on 625, so that's not going to happen.
I'm sorry!
I have to have a lot of people unsub to me for that to happen.
God, I never so much bitching in one video. I'm going to need several beers just to get through.
Basically, now, I'm going to be carrying on with Series 8 from here on out. Saturday is my trip to Colchester and Ipswich on the Great Eastern Main Line, filming lots of Abellio Greater Anglia services. Then it's London Paddington Ealing Broadway. Then we've got Milton Keynes Central, Milton Keynes Central, Ashford International, then Stourbridge Junction because I've had to switch it around. Then Doncaster and York, and then Haywards Heath, then Farnborough Main and Weybridge, and then Shenfield to finish off Series 8. So, what? Are you being sarcastic?
Yes.
Thank you. So, thank you all very much for watching, and I will see you all in Colchester. Thank you. I'll see you all soon. Bye. Oh, hang on.
Hang on, okay, hold on. I'm hanging on. I'm hanging on.
All right, Jared. I forgot to say something. If you have liked what you've seen here at Stafford, then please do like and subscribe. Any comments you make, I will get back to as and when I can. Any station recommendations, trackside locations, or journeys you wish to recommend? Not okay, thanks. I'll consider that one. They will be welcomed, and I'll get round to seeing when I can fit this into my schedule. Now I can say it. Thank you all for watching, guys, and I'll see you all soon. Bye, guys.